Get from over here. Come on. Get on in there. Get in there. Get. That's one. I got two more to go. Get. I don't want to fight today. Shit. Then you're going to jump on top of the cage. Go on in the cage. Go on. Get your ass back in there. Get in there. Come here, girl. Don't you go right there. Shut up. Shut up. Thank you. Go on up in there. Get your ass in there. Get in there. So I know some of y'all may be wondering, why am I chasing my chickens and putting them in this little bitty cage? Reason being is it's about to be nighttime, so in the evening when I get off, we usually go out and put them up so nothing can get to them at night, just to make sure they're safe. So that's the reason why we're chasing them and trying to put them up.